What's up everyone, it's your boy Ibsani. I finally got my KTUNER in the mail. I am extremely excited to install in this car. I feel like it's going to make a huge difference. It actually gives me a gain of around 68 horsepower, which is insane. And I can't wait to see what happens. So this video is going to be a full install video on installing a KTUNER as well as the Phearable Tune. So I'll take you step by step. I've never done this before, so you can follow along with me. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. The first thing you have to do before you even go outside to your car is you're gonna have to take this inside and go to a Windows laptop. So let's go. Let's begin with unboxing the KTUNER. And this is all it comes with. You have your, for this version 1.2, you have your OBD plug, and then you have the cable that actually plugs into it. Oops. And you get a cool couple Phearable stickers, which are nice. I don't know if I'm gonna stick on these on my car yet. Just a welcome to KTUNER card, cool. Let's see how many stickers. You got that sticker, that sticker. Yo, I don't know if I'm gonna see these on my car, but they're kind of clean, not gonna lie. So that's what's in the box. You're gonna wanna get that out. You're gonna wanna get this out and just go ahead and plug it. Oh wow, this is actually light. I thought it was going to be like very heavy, like metal and stuff, but this is pretty light. So go ahead and plug this in, and then you're gonna wanna plug this in as well. See, to your computer. There we go, that's plugged in. What you're first going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and open up Chrome and go to KTUNER. There we go, KTUNER. And then let's go to downloads. Let's go ahead and click download. For some reason this isn't downloading. Opening a link in a new tab. There we go. Open the link in a new tab. I got the download started. And you're just going to wait for that to download. It's not too big. Okay, once it has downloaded, you're going to want to go ahead and open it up. Info, it says KTUNER safe on my Norton, and run anyway. There we go. We just needed that option. So go ahead and run it. There's not going to be any virus or anything. This is pretty well known. Yes, next, agree, next, sure, KTUNER, sure, sure. And then go ahead and let it install. Install's finished. Okay, time to log in. Welcome to KTUNER management. Connect via internet. Let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in with my information right here. This does this. I'm gonna go ahead and over here and open up my I'm gonna go ahead and open up my email on another tab. Okay, once you're done registering, I'm pretty sure you have to hit update, or at least that's what I did. And then you're gonna get something, your license file has been updated. Close the account window to get started. So, okay, close this account window. And then we finally have opened up the full KTUNER. This unit is not currently registered to account. Would you like to register it now? Yes. You need an internet connection for all this part. That's why we are doing it inside before we actually go out to the car. You're gonna get a notification that says this KTUNER flash is out of date. Would you like to update? Go ahead and click yes. A device must be plugged into a high-powered USB if not properly results of the. Yeah, it's plugged into a USB port. Okay, cool. Now it should update automatically. Oh, let's go. We got a blue light. Cool. It appears it has not been yet locked to an ECU. Please connect to the vehicle before connecting to the software. Okay, so I guess it's time to go outside and take the KTUNER as well as the laptop to the car. Okay, so now that I am at the car, you're gonna want to go ahead and plug this into the OBT, which should be down here somewhere. Yeah, it's right here. So take this KTUNER, and which way does it go? Oh, it goes this way. So it goes, the light should be facing that way towards the pedals. Once that's plugged in, plug my wire in right there. Okay, KTUNER has not been locked to an ECU. Okay, put the car in accessory mode. The way you do that is just, it's cold, I'm gonna close the door. There you go. You don't put the pedal, you don't put your foot on the clutch, just push this button twice, your start button. Would you like to lock this KTUNER to the ECU unit? Yes, you can only use one KTUNER per unit. It appears to communicate with service as filled. And there's no secure application. Okay, so you also need an internet connection for this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on my hotspot real quick. Well, I connected to the Wi-Fi. You can use your hotspot as well. I connected to my house Wi-Fi. And now I'm locking it to the ECU unit. Disconnected, let that. Connected, there we go. This just in order to connect, this will include setting up recovery in the factory tune. Would you like to set up this unit for the ECU now? Yes. Okay, there we go. Go ahead and let it prepare. Cool. So it uploaded, and you can actually see now all the information right over here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to File, open the tune, and then go ahead and I put it on my desktop somewhere, I think. Let's see, this PC. Desktop. I remember dragging and dropping it. So go ahead and look through your desktop. There we go. Has my name. We downloaded it before. The KCL file. This tune is partially locked. Yeah, what this just means is you can't really see what they did because they don't want you copying the tune and people selling knockoff tunes. So click OK with that. Yo, what the heck? Where's my tune, man? Watch a couple videos and stuff. This is what I've learned. So KTUNER, when your tune actually uploads, you see this right here? This is the tuning file name. So it doesn't actually tell you tune has been successfully uploaded or anything. Or like put in, it just, if you see the tune, the file name right there, you see how it says .kcl. If you see that, then you know the tune is uploaded. I don't know why they wouldn't just put it here, but I mean, it is what it is. And then you're going to want to go ahead and push upload base code. Please make sure your laptop is on power saving mode. Battery charge is recommended. If you want to ratio upload base code, make sure you're flashing a file that matches your model year. Please select entire model and follow the final instructions. Go ahead and say yes because your tune is loaded. Now, since we're on a 1.2, we're going to have to click flash now instead of the later. These slots are for the 2.0. Actually, I'm going to make a video on how you can turn your 1.2 into a 2.0 and actually get the screen. You can either hack your infotainment system, which I'm not going to do because I don't want it to glitch out. But I have another way. It'll be cheaper than the actual KTUNER version 2. And if you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I'll post a video about it in the coming weeks. Flash now to flash directly to ECU. It says preparing. And now I guess we just wait and see what happens. Oh, erasing. There we go. We're getting the lights. That's a good sign. This just means it completely erased your factory tune. So, yep. All right, now we're going to wait for the Christmas tree to all go off. You see I have all these dash lights. Oh, God. It just keeps getting worse and worse. Oh, man. I need a haircut. What? This looks ridiculous. With the GoPro on as well. Yuck. All right, we're waiting. It's almost done. 50%. Just... I don't know if I'm going to put this in the video. Oh my God. I'm usually going to wear a cap when I put this on, but I didn't have time. Our tune is just about done. Any second now, all these lights should disappear, I think. Please key the vehicle off for a few seconds. Turn the vehicle back on and wait. Turn the key back on and wait a few seconds before hitting OK. Total time 5.6 seconds. Okay, so turn the vehicle off for a few seconds. So let's wait, I don't know, about 10 seconds. And then turn the key back on and wait a few seconds before hitting OK. Okay, so we're not going to hit OK yet. Go ahead and push that on. Start it. Okay. And then wait a few seconds. All right, now we're just going to wait a few seconds and wait for, I don't know what we're waiting for, but I literally have a check engine light, a check oil light, steering light. Okay. Flash successful. Okay to continue. Wait, I think everything's gone. All right. Lane keep assist problem. All right, let's start this up. What the heck is that? So after a couple minutes, actually, the lights have disappeared, and I just read up on the email and it says to actually drive your car around for 30 minutes before actually messing around with anything. So I haven't done that yet. Guess we're going for a quick drive just to get this thing started. I'm not gonna go too fast. It says to drive normally. Let's see if I can feel a difference. Oh my God, yo. What? I think rev hang is gone. Wait, hold on. Okay, and push this button again. Let's see, hold on. Oh my God, yo. I think rev hang is off. So I'm just gonna have to, this feels, oh my God, the power. Yo. All right, we're gonna take it slow for the first 30 minutes. Maybe one acceleration. Oh my God, the boost. Okay, we are definitely have it. You saw the boost went up all the way to 18, which is a good sign. So 68 extra horsepower, damn. Okay, we're not gonna floor it just yet. Yeah, I'm gonna drive around for a bit and we'll see what happens. The rev hang is like, it's gone. That's crazy. Oh my God, this car pulls so much. I'm not gonna floor it yet. I want to make sure I get through the 30-minute break-in period before I actually do anything, just in case. But yeah, this is impressive for. Wow, this is impressive so far. I haven't even. Oh my God, I'm speechless, man. I'm so happy. I just wanted to quickly see if I can adjust the map. So I'm gonna hold set. No. Hold cancel. So 1, 2, 3. Let it off. No. 1. No. Turn the main cruise control off. 1, 2, 3 on the cancel. Let it go. Gives it to 1. Go to 2. Hold cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it off. Cool. Okay, so now we're on map 2. So that's how you do it. You use the cancel button, hold it, let it go, and it'll pop up to what map you want to do. I believe the main button turns on and off rev hang. I still have yet to figure that out, but yeah, that's it. Oh man. So yeah, I guess that's how you install KTUNER and Phearable Tune on the Civic Si. Oh man, I am so excited to actually drive this car and have some fun with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through the break-in period, which is 30 minutes. After that, I'm going to review drive the tune around for about a week and then give you guys my honest review on what I think about it and if I actually like it or not. So make sure you subscribe for that and stay tuned for that. If this video helped, please make sure to leave a like. Leave any questions you have in the comments below. I always look at my comments and I answer them. And make sure that subscribe button to see the KTUNER 1.2 with a screen, which will actually be cheaper than the KTUNER, and my full review on the Phearable Tune in a week. And I'll see you guys